An unreal size branch just fell out of my tree and took out the front of my house. That's another tree that got knocked over. The tree that got knocked over is smaller than the tree that fell on it. The branch that fell on it. Oh my God. Took my roof out from about there all the way to there. See the main roofing board, whatever the hell that is. Not the joist, but the support. We've been repairing our roof for the last 3 months, and this is what happens. You know, you start to fix something, and look, this storm is still going on. It's sunny over here. I mean, it's getting my phone wet because it's raining and sunny simultaneously. Just peeled the shit down there. Peeled it off. This tree stood in front of my house. Just unreal. Show you the destruction on the porch. We think our porch is broken too. No, our dog, Tobaway, was just sitting right here. He was sitting there. It started to rain. Minnie Mo, my wife, is like, maybe we should let Toba in. He looks sad. We should let him in. He likes being in the rain normally. He's that hybrid timber wolf. He's like, nah, let me in. We let him in. Look at this shit. He was laying right here. The branch fell, hit the roof, and tumbled off the side. Who would have killed his ass? Unfrickin' real. We just repaired the roof from down there all the way to over there. Not repaired the roof, but recovered it.